Hello everyone, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from functional equations. X times f of x plus f of 1 minus x equal to x times x square minus 1. Here fx is mapped real to real with x. So let's get started by writing here 1 square so that we can apply difference of two squares formula here. So we can write our equation x times fx plus f times 1 minus x equal to x times x plus 1 times x minus 1. Now we will call this is our equation number 1. Equation 1. Now I will change our functional variable x with 1 minus x. So we can write our equation 1 as 1 minus x times f of 1 minus x plus f of 1 minus 1 plus x equal to 1 minus x 1 minus x plus 1 times 1 minus x minus 1. Now we can cancel plus and minus 1, plus and minus 1. So we can write equation 1 minus x times f of 1 minus x plus f of x will be equal to 1 minus x times 2 minus x times minus x. Now I will take this minus sign and multiply here. So we can write RHS will be 1 minus x times x minus 2 times x, or x times x minus 2 times 1 minus x. LHS is 1 minus x times f of 1 minus x plus fx. Let's say this is our equation number 2. Now I will multiply our equation 1 by 1 minus x. Let's multiply. So I will get x times 1 minus x times fx plus 1 minus x times f of 1 minus x equal to x times x plus 1 times x minus 1, and then we'll multiply with 1 minus x. Now I can take minus common from this bracket so that we can write x minus 1 whole square in RHS. I will write our equation x times 1 minus x times f of x plus 1 minus x times f of 1 minus x will be equal to minus of x plus 1 x minus 1 whole square. And this equation we will consider equation number 3. Now I will perform another operation. Let me write here equation 2 also. Here it is. Now we will perform equation 2 minus equation 3. Now you can see this term and this term will be cancelled out once we will take difference. So I will write our equation here. Fx is common from LHS, so I will write fx times. In the bracket we will get 1 minus of x times 1 minus x. In RHS we will write x times x minus 2 times 1 minus x. Minus of minus becomes plus, so plus x times x plus 1 times x minus 1 whole square. We can write fx times, here we will write 1 minus x plus x square. In RHS, I want to take x minus 1 common. So I will take minus common from this bracket first. We can write minus of x, x minus 1, x minus 2. Then we will write plus x, x plus 1, x minus 1 whole square. Now we will write our LHS as x square minus x plus 1 times fx. RHS will be, we will take x minus 1 common now. X times x minus 1. So in the bracket we will get minus of x minus 2. And from the second term we will write x plus 1. Let me write second term first, x plus 1 times x minus 1. And then from the first term we will write minus of x minus 2. This will be equal to x times x minus 1. Here we will be writing x square minus 1, difference of two squares formula, minus x plus 2. So this bracket will come out x square minus x plus 1. Let me write here x square minus x plus 1 times f of x. This will be equal to x times x minus 1 times x square minus x plus 1. Now we will divide both sides by x square minus x plus 1. This side also x square minus x plus 1. Considering x square minus x plus 1 cannot be equal to 0 for x belong to real number. These two terms will be cancelled out. We will collect our final answer. Fx will be equal to x times x minus 1. Or we can write fx will be equal to x square minus x. Here x belongs to real numbers. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.